Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down right away. Then click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down one more time, click on Privacy section over here and tap on Permission Manager. Finally, you can pick one of your device's features. I will go with Microphone. Then click on one of your apps. I will go with Camera and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. And go back. As you can see now, Camera doesn't have access to my device's microphone. If you want to, you can always go into Permission Manager section, select any feature, and then look for an app that you wish to manage. So I will go with Location to access Chrome. Now scroll all the way down and click on See All Chrome Permissions instead. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!